All right, guys, we got a good kick. This isn't bad. Ball's sitting up nice. We do got to stay up under this tree. We got 266 out to the pin. This is my favorite shot on the whole course. I could sit here all day and hit 3 woods. You can't miss right. Left's trouble. The only place to really miss is short. So I feel good with this 3 wood. Like I said, 266. We're going to try to flight it down a little bit.
Right at it.
Oh, baby. Give me a kick up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's almost pin high. Center of the green, baby. Let's go. Let's go roll this in for an eagle.